Daily English Talks. Talking about daily achievements. Hey Mark, how was your day? And did you manage to achieve everything you planned this morning?
Hi, Anna. My day was quite productive because I completed most of my tasks and even had time to help a colleague with his work.
That sounds wonderful, and I always feel happy when I can finish my tasks and still support someone else.
Yes, it really gives a sense of satisfaction when you know your time was used wisely and effectively.
Today, I finally finished organizing my workspace, which I had been delaying for several days.
That is a great achievement because a clean and organized space can really improve your focus and mood.
Exactly, and I also managed to reply to all my emails, which had been piling up since last week.
I understand that feeling because clearing emails always feels like a big accomplishment.
What was the most important thing you achieved today, besides finishing your regular work?
I actually started learning a new software program that I had been avoiding because it seemed complicated.
That is impressive, because trying something new always requires courage and patience.
Yes, and even though I only learned the basics, I feel proud of taking the first step.
Small steps are still progress, and they often lead to bigger achievements over time.
I completely agree, and that mindset helps me stay motivated every day.
Another thing I did today was going for a short walk during my break to refresh my mind.
That is a healthy habit, and it is good that you made time for yourself in between work.
Yes, I realize that taking care of my well-being is also an important daily achievement.
Absolutely, because success is not only about work, but also about maintaining a balanced life.
Did you face any challenges today while trying to complete your tasks?
Yes, I struggled a bit with time management, but I adjusted my schedule to stay on track.
That shows good problem-solving skills, because adapting quickly is very important.
Thank you, and I learned that being flexible helps me handle unexpected situations better.
I also tried to improve my time management by setting clear priorities this morning.
That is a smart strategy because it helps you focus on what truly matters first.
Exactly, and it made my day much more organized and less stressful.
I think celebrating these small daily achievements can really boost our confidence.
Yes, and it reminds us that we are making progress, even if it is not always obvious.
Sometimes we forget to appreciate what we have accomplished because we focus too much on what is left.
That is true, and I am trying to change that habit by reflecting on my achievements every evening.
That is a great idea, and I might start doing the same to stay motivated.
Another achievement today was that I cooked a healthy dinner instead of ordering food.
That is impressive because cooking at home requires effort and discipline.
Yes, but it made me feel proud because I am trying to build better habits.
Building good habits is definitely one of the most valuable achievements in the long run.
I agree, and consistency is the key to turning small actions into lasting results.
Today, I also managed to finish reading a chapter of a book I started last week.
That is wonderful, because reading regularly can improve both knowledge and focus.
Yes, and I feel more relaxed after spending some quiet time with a book.
I think it is important to balance productivity with relaxation in our daily routine.
Absolutely, because working too much without rest can lead to burnout.
Looking back at your day, what achievement are you most proud of?
I am most proud of stepping out of my comfort zone and learning something new.
That is truly inspiring, because growth always begins when we challenge ourselves.
Thank you. And what about you? What made you feel the most accomplished today?
I think organizing my workspace gave me the greatest sense of achievement.
That makes sense because it creates a positive environment for future productivity.
Yes, and it motivates me to keep things tidy and structured from now on.
It is amazing how small changes can make a big difference in our daily lives.
I completely agree, and that is why I try to focus on small but meaningful goals.
Setting realistic goals helps us avoid feeling overwhelmed and keeps us consistent.
Exactly. And consistency is what leads to long-term success and improvement.
I think we should continue sharing our daily achievements to inspire each other.
That is a great idea because it keeps us accountable and motivated.
Tomorrow, I plan to wake up earlier and start my day with exercise.
That sounds like a healthy goal, and I hope you achieve it successfully.
Thank you, and I believe that starting the day actively can improve my productivity.
I also plan to continue improving my routine and focusing on my priorities.
That is wonderful, and I am sure you will achieve even more tomorrow.
Let us both keep working hard and celebrating our progress every day.
Absolutely, because every small achievement brings us closer to our bigger goals.